So data mining characteristics, objectives. So what are the objectives of the data mining characteristics and how we can go for it? The source of data for data mining is often a consolidated data warehouse, not always. Okay, consolidated means like a properly managed data. Consolidated data warehouses where you know that from where the data is coming and how I arrange in a proper shape according to my wishes and desire or according to the requirements of an organization. So source of the data for DM is often a consolidated warehouse, not always. Sometimes you may not have a clean data. So consolidated data warehouse means the cleaned data over there, where there is no missing values, where there is no like a different formats. Sometimes some formats are numerical, some are alphanumerical. So you have to consolidate the data according to it, because when you have data, so it is not necessary it will be a structure form in a column and rows just like in the database, but sometimes you will have the data in the form of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, PDF. So in that case the data is not consolidated, it is not in a proper shape over there. So data mining environment is usually a client server environment, or we can say a web-based environment where there's also a client server environment architecture. Data is the most critical ingredient for data mining, which may include soft or unstructured data. So the data which is like unstructured, I told you, the data which is not in the SQL format, you cannot query it. So that's called unstructured data in the form of Microsoft Word or some other. Or there is a middle stage which is called semi-structure or semi-structure, which is called XML. XML is a XML. So it is a semi-structured data, we call it. The miner is often an end user over there. Okay, so the person who mine the data, who use the data for the purpose of pattern recognition or pattern analysis, he is the end user basically. Striking it rich requires creative thinking. Okay, so if you want to take information from the data, you should be very good in creative thinking. You must be creative to take information from it. If you are not creative, even the pattern will be in front of you, you will not be able to analyze it. So data mining tools, capabilities and ease of use are essential. So we can have a web, we can have a parallel processing and etc. over there. So sometime nowadays you might have seen there is a dashboards over there. So in the dashboard you can see your all attendances, you can see your GPAs and all your things on the dashboard over there, right? So this dashboard is a kind of a data mining examples over there.